Bechekom,
Ogbewu.
like I told you, I want you to return this man's spirit. Bring him back to me. Eh? Can you imagine? Somebody I called my tenant. He stole my money and disappeared. Not just disappearing, no, with people's money. My money. Eh? All the money we gathered for the year for different things. He ran away with it. As I'm talking to you now, I cannot find him anywhere. So that is why I'm here. So that you can return his spirit. Biko.
Ogbewu.
Eh?
You know it's a big tax that you are requesting.
That is why I'm here with you.
Iche kwuru cheche kwuru chewu kiri yam kiri gbowo. Ndị ọma ekele m unu. Ogbunabali, speak. Let me hear. Yes, I can hear you. Ogbewu.
Eh?
What you seek is a big tax.
That is why I'm here. Because I believe you.
This man we are talking about is not in this country.
He's not in this country.
Is not in this country.
Return his spirit wherever he is. I want his spirit to be back. Let me grab him red-handed.
This man we are talking about is in outside country. There is no way my oracle can go to outside country before these white people snatch it.
What are you trying to tell me? Are you trying to tell me that your oracle cannot go message? He cannot go out of this country?
Exactly.
You're serving a baby oracle or what?
Mind your mouth before I turn you to a rabbit.
What kind of oracle are you serving? Tell him to go there, bring his spirit back.
Remember you are in my shrine before I turn you to a rabbit.
If you can turn me to a rabbit, why can't you bring that same man back with the same power of yours? My dear, you know what? You are powerless. You're a fake. I'm not doing again.
Ogbewu,
Leave me.
I will turn you to a goat. Don't play with me. Nonsense. Imagine. The man have traveled. He has traveled.
What kind of a native doctor is this one? If it is to eat fowl and chicken, thief, you eat finish. Ordinary to return spirit, you cannot. Your father. See, you will never see me in your shrine again. Thief! Ole! Where is this boy?
Oga landlord.
How did you know this native doctor? How did you meet him?
Landlord, bring your voice down.
I'm angry.
How did it go?
The thing went wrong. Over wrong. Could you imagine that I asked him to return the spirit of the person that is owing me? Somebody that ran away from my compound. He's telling me that his oracle cannot travel.
Hey!
What kind of baby oracle is that?
Hey! And I trusted him. Oh.
You trusted a failure.
Hey!
You trusted a failure.
Yeah.
Eh? You shouldn't have brought me to this place.
So, Oga landlord, what are we going to do now?
Do I know? Do I know? Now I'm running out of patience. Do I know?
Hi. But I trusted this man. I trusted him.
Stop telling me that trust. That man is out of trust.
See what is going to happen. They say if one way didn't work, you have to choose another way.
Do you have another way? Then let's choose it.
There's this powerful prophetess I will take you to.
Prophetess.
She is very powerful. If this prophetess handles your case, aye, if she handles your case,
If she handle your ass, aye, you know that prophetess and you brought me to this failure. Let's leave. I want to see her at once.
okay, let's.
I think she'll perform well.
let's
Better.
Onye nwe mmekwu na anụ m anụ na-ekwu na nwa gị na-anụ My brother, what is that your problem again?
Like I told you earlier, this person I'm talking about ran away with my money.
Exactly.
In fact, not just my money. The money people contributed for a project, this guy ran away with it. He disappeared. So please, I want you to bring back his spirit. Let me catch him. That's all I want.
I know you can help us sort out this problem. That's the reason why I brought him here.
Yeah. He has told me things about you already.
Your case is a small case.
I told you.
Zacchaeus! You brought this man.
Yeah, exactly.
You're welcome. Jehovah, look down. Hey, look down and see what people are doing because of money. My brother, your case is settled. Your case is a small one. But it will cost you a little.
Which is?
I will give you a spiritual bait.
Spiritual what?
Spiritual bait. Iga water. Saru. Sapusha mehegi.
Wait. What is Igaboto, Saru? I don't understand.
You will go naked.
Hey.
And I will bait you.
Abubakar.
Landlord, just bring your mind down and listen to her.
What is this thing you're telling me? Actually, Allah bet me.
Because you are too filthy.
See, talking about filthy, I took my bait before I came here.
Forget about your bait.
I even spread pef.
Pef what? I'll give you a spiritual baiting that will enable the two spirits to connect together.
What is my business with the spirit connection?
Your spirit and his cannot connect because your spirit is too dirty. You need to be well cleaned.
Outside the spiritual bait, what else? Let me know what that is involved.
I need a white he-goat. White.
And what again?
White tuber of yam.
Have you seen white tuber of yam before?
Shut up.
Okay, what's the last thing? Let me know what I'm doing.
I'm not done. You will bring 3 white female birds.
And
3 female cats. To round it up, 3 female cows.
Abubakar. You said 2 female what?
Yes, Nama.
Landlord, bring your voice down.
How can she ask me to bring 2 female cows? Who will eat this cow? No, who will eat
For
her?
your spiritual cleansing.
For my spiritual
Your
cleansing?
spiritual cleansing. Yes.
You are a thief.
How dare you? Hey!
Enough!
Take this man away from here!
I'm not doing
Why
again.
you bring this man for?
Landlord, bring your mind down now.
I will not.
Get out!
Let's not tell me that you want to eat.
Take this man out
Don't
from
bring
here!
me to this kind of place.
Get out!
Landlord now.
Take him out! Take this man out from here!
Landlord.
Get out!
Landlord.
What kind of movement is this one?
Landlord.
Nothing works out.
Landlord.
Zacchaeus,
Landlord, God has done it.
what has God done?
Our prayers has been answered.
Go straight to point.
Landlord, you know that your tenant that ran away with your money?
Marcus,
Marcus.
what happened to
A
him?
friend of mine just told me that they found him in Lagos.
Abubakar.
Squandering money.
Squandering my money.
Landlord, this is time you have to go to Lagos and collect your money.
See, just tell me where they saw him. Let me start going to Lagos now. I want to start moving.
Landlord, the thing is that my friend, it was a friend of his that gave him the information. So this is what is going to happen. I will go and meet my friend. Then I will collect the necessary information from him. Then I will pass the information to you so that you on your own, you will go to Lagos and, cash Marcus red-handed.
So this information is not even coming straight from you. No, you get the information.
Landlord, it's...
How am I sure that you saw or your friend saw him there? Where exactly in Lagos?
I don't know the place in Lagos, so we'll go and meet my friend. Landlord,
See, to make it short, where is that your friend? Let me see him. Let me hear from him direct. Let me hear from the horse.
Okay, let's go and meet him.
Let it not be like other information you're bringing.
Landlord,
No?
don't you trust me again?
Let me try.
Have I failed you before?
Femi.
This one I'm seeing the both of you together. Hope I'm safe.
You're very much safe. So seeing us together is not a crime. The Femi himself.
Landlord. Go straight to the point now. Remember, we have limited time.
Allow me to hail him. Are you Femi? Is your name Femi? This guy, sometimes he will be behaving like children.
Wait. This one you are hailing me. I hope there is no problem.
Have I ever hailed out problem from your life? Femi, that idiot that is owing me,
Marcus.
I've seen him.
Oh, that's wonderful. Wonderful.
A friend of mine in Lagos saw him in Lagos squandering money.
That's great.
Squandering my money.
That is wickedness.
Spoiling my money.
So this is an opportunity for us to go to Lagos.
What is for
And
us?
cash it.
For me to go to Lagos.
So how does your going to Lagos affect me?
I want you to borrow me money
Exactly.
for transport.
So since when have I turned to Microfinance Bank.
I heard you collected salary yesterday. And me, I know that you have not squandered that money. You don't squander money.
Exactly.
Can you finish your salary just yesterday and today?
I see. So I should keep my salary for you to come and borrow.
Just borrow me this money. Once I come back from Lagos, I'll pay you back.
I know my landlord.
I will reimburse you.
He is going to return your money back to you, even with interest.
How much are we looking at here?
50,000.
Out of my 80,000 naira salary.
You still have 30,000.
If I give you 50,000 naira, how much are you going to Lagos to collect?
Femi, how is that money your business?
It is my problem. You know, as a businessman, I need to secure my money.
The guy is an idiot. All the money we contributed for NEPA bill, for light bill, is in his hand. Money for toilet and sock away disposing is in his hand.
Exactly.
Even dustbin money is in his hand. Security
Is in his hand.
is in his hand. He even collected small money from me. He's owing me small money.
With all this you have listed, how much is everything?
Well, everything is 7,850.
Photo, not be juju be that.
7,850.
850.
Landlord,
Eh?
are you not a fool?
I'm a fool.